Nvidia has launched a suite of enterprise-grade generative AI microservices aimed at facilitating the integration of custom AI applications into businesses' platforms. Leveraging the CUDA platform, these microservices enable businesses to develop and deploy AI applications while retaining control of their intellectual property. The catalog includes NIM microservices for optimized inference and CUDA-X microservices for data processing, guardrails, and more. Partnerships with industry leaders like Adobe, SAP, and ServiceNow underscore the broad applicability of these tools. Nvidia's initiative reflects its commitment to democratizing AI access and driving innovation across diverse sectors. Through these microservices, Nvidia aims to accelerate AI adoption and drive transformative advancements in enterprise applications. Looking for more text information? Subscribe to Sophie.